Hi, are you an options trader and want to place a large option order on Groww but don't know how to? Well, don't worry, Groww can help you. You can place 10,000 quantity in one go on the Groww app. You must have seen that the max freeze limit of Nifty is 1800 quantity. Now, let's say you want to trade in 4000 quantity. Then you'll have to place 3 orders in 3 sets. That is 1800, 1800 and 400. But on the Groww app, this process has been simplified. What you can do is place 4000 quantity in one single order, and then Groww will divide this order into 3 sets itself. So essentially, the idea remains exactly the same. But in the second case, you yourself will not have to place 3 orders. Groww will do it for you. But remember, the brokerage will be charged on 3 orders. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.